In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap FigJam stickies. If you've ever looked at a FigJam board and thought the stickies would make more sense in a different order, this is for you. Swapping stickies is simply about selecting the notes you want to move and then dragging them into a new arrangement without changing their content. It's quick, clean, and keeps your brainstorming tidy. Start by looking at the area of your board where you want to make changes. Make sure you can see all the stickies you plan to move. Now hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While you're holding Control, highlight the sticky notes you want to swap. You can click each sticky one by one to add it to your selection, or click and drag to draw a box around a group of stickies. You'll know they're selected when you see a clear outline and small handles around them. If you pick up an extra note by mistake, keep holding Control and click it again to deselect. And if everything looks off, press Escape to clear the selection and start fresh. A quick tip here. Zoom in slightly if you need precision, and pan the canvas so all the stickies you want are in view before you highlight. The goal is to create a clean selection so your move is predictable and intentional. With your stickies highlighted, it's time to rearrange. Click and hold on any one of the selected stickies, then drag. The entire selection will move together as a group, making it easy to shift them into a new position. As you drag, watch for layout guides that help you align with nearby notes or keep spacing consistent. When the new position looks right, release the mouse to drop them in place. That's it, your stickies are swapped. If you're rearranging within a neat grid or a cluster, take a moment to align edges and preserve even spacing. It keeps the board easy for others to scan. If your board has connectors or arrows attached to a sticky, they'll typically follow along. Still, give things a quick glance after dropping to ensure nothing overlaps in a confusing way. And remember, undo is your safety net if the change isn't what you expected. To recap, hold Control to highlight the stickies you want, then drag and drop to rearrange them. With this simple workflow, you can keep your FigJam sessions organized and your ideas flowing in the right order.